Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's enter the phone, and here, for example, if you will be on the recents, just tap on this 3-dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on calling accounts and choose the card you've got currently inserted, and here let's tap on additional settings. I've got some card problems, as you can see, so just tap on OK, and here we've got the option call waiting, which is for me not available, but no worries, you will be able to customize it. So if you would like to enable call waiting, if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher and make sure that this circle, this dot, will be on the right side. And thanks to this, your device will notify you about another incoming calls if you will be during a call currently. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable call waiting in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.